If your A2P 10DLC registration got rejected, this video's for you. In this video, I'm not gonna waste your time with the same advice every other A2P YouTube video gives you, like how to tweak your A2P registration form, or change a word in your texting campaign, or cross your fingers for a better reviewer. Instead, I'm gonna show you what actually works when A2P keeps knocking you down, and how you could start sending texts inside of GoHighLevel without A2P at all. And the best part, you could have this set up in less than 24 hours. Here's the proof in my own GoHighLevel account. As you can see right here, my A2P 10 DLC registration got rejected, but when I head over to my conversation tab, I'm still able to send texts back and forth with my contacts. So let's walk through the exact steps that you should take the moment your A2P registration gets rejected, so that you can get back to sending texts inside of GoHighLevel in just under 24 hours. Step 1. Let's start by being honest about something. Most A2P rejections are not your fault, and no amount of fixing your application is going to save you. GoHighLevel probably rejected your registration for reasons like vague website content, industries they consider high risk, one keyword in your campaign that they didn't like, inconsistent opt-in explanation, or sometimes absolutely no explanation at all. And the part that people don't realize is that even after you fix something and you try again and you reapply, you don't get faster processing. You don't get priority boarding. You don't even get feedback. You go right back into the same 2 to 3 week wait period, only to get rejected again and again. Therefore, my advice to you is to stop thinking you need to register for A2P to send text and GoHighLevel, because you actually don't. Step 2, the fastest and most reliable way to get around A2P is to stop sending SMS texts altogether and to switch to iMessage text instead. iMessage is a completely different channel than SMS. SMS is regulated by carriers, which is why A2P exists in the first place. But iMessage runs through Apple's network, not AT&T, not Verizon, not T-Mobile. So that means there's no A2P registration, no approval process, no restricted keywords or industries, and no opt-out language required. And the best part, iMessage integrates directly into GoHighLevel through a tool called sendblue, which I'll be showing you how to set up right now. Step 3. To get iMessage running in your GoHighLevel account, you'll first need to install the sendblue iMessage extension from the GoHighLevel marketplace. And once you connect it, sendblue becomes a brand new messaging provider inside of your account. Think of it as swapping out Lead Connector for iMessage, but without breaking anything else in your system. From this point on, any message you send or receive, or any phone call that you make or that you receive, will be initiated from your iMessage phone line. Step 4. Next, you'll activate the phone line that will actually send your iMessages. This part is extremely simple. You don't fill out a form or an application, you don't upload documents, you don't even have to wait for carrier approval. All you need to do is just click the link in the description section of this video or in the comment section and add your current phone number, and we'll text you immediately asking how many people you plan on messaging per day, as that will give us a good idea on how many phone lines we need to activate for you. Most phone lines are active within just a couple of hours, 24 hours top, which is a night and day difference compared to A2P's multi-week waiting period. Step 5. Once your phone line is active, download the sendblue Chrome extension. This adds a small iMessage panel right inside of your GoHighLevel dashboard. It lets you preview conversations, reply instantly to your leads, send photos and send videos, and even drop voice messages, all without switching tabs in GoHighLevel. It basically makes iMessage feel native in your CRM. Step 6. The final step here is updating your workflow builder. Anywhere you currently have a send SMS step, you'll simply replace it with a send iMessage instead. All your triggers and all of your delays and your branching logic and your conditions stay exactly the same. The only difference is that instead of using your lead connector SMS number, which requires A2P, your messages now go out from your iMessage phone line, the one that doesn't require A2P at all. Now that you know how to bounce back from an A2P rejection and start sending out texts today using iMessage and GoHighLevel, the next step is understanding how to structure your messaging strategy for 2026. I cover exactly what that should look like and why iMessage is going to play a huge role in this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in that video.